So now, to end this presentation regarding the revised degraded perf and severe icing procedure. So the event described by Paul and I previously, if we focus on some big deal, 10 minutes, they stayed on icing and severe icing condition during 10 minutes. The stalls, both stalls, or the stalls, occur during turns while flying icing back plus 10. Stalls approximately to 20 degrees of bank angle. On all the events, the anti-icing was efficient in normal icing condition. The purpose of a new procedure is to give you more time to take appropriate active action. Previously, I have shown you already this graph. This graph is level flight, wings level. So the new procedure deals with the degraded perf. Why they stall during a turn? Because you may know that as soon as you start to bank, your AOA increase, and then the margin to the stalls decrease. During these stalls, we could have detected that shaker and pusher were activated quite after, short time after, and simultaneously. Nevertheless, the roll depart towards the origin of the stalls. So the event happens on NAS aircraft, but also in pre-NAS aircraft. Okay? First of all, I will deal with the NAS aircraft. So on the left part of the slide, everything is fine. Prior to degraded perf, all the speeds were accurate with the low bank and high bank command by the systems. While degraded perf is triggered, so we have an automatic increase of the speeds, the icing bug plus 10, as you see on the right part of the speed scales. Nevertheless, we have depicted that we have a hole in the systems. We have missed something during the design, and we have this red part of the speed for which we are not protected high bank. Nevertheless, for the system is an automatic command. As soon as the system see that we are above the MHB, he commands high bank. That's why the new procedure asks you to put the flight director to standby as soon as you are not flying above icing bug plus 30. Why we ask you that? It's that we expect this condition to be a temporary one. We have had some airline feedback saying that this situation is high workload and could be dangerous. Nevertheless, it's emergency procedure. What do you prefer? To stall while banking at 22 degrees, or do you prefer to fly raw data and to stay not out of the stall? Pilots? The new procedure asks you to put the FD off below icing bug plus 30 and to descend. While descending, we expect the speed to come back above plus 30 knots. Okay? So we expect to be a temporary situation. Nevertheless, the team of Stefan is working hard, and we expect to correct this anomaly. This anomaly will be corrected beginning of 2019 on standard 2, 3, and it will be taken into account on the next standard 4. It means that as soon as you will have received the correction, the procedure will be modified to put this request to off FD off. Okay? As soon as you receive this modification, the NAS will be accurate regarding the high bank and low bank order in icing condition. Regarding the pre-NAS, the new procedure asks you to select low bank and so consequently to fly on heading. Not use LNAV. As soon as you select LNAV on pre-NAS, it commands you high bank. Okay? So low bank heading, and then you follow the navigation if you have changing your heading and using your nav display. Your situation for a pre-NAS aircraft will stay like that. Okay, we have no perspective of changing the pre-NAS aircraft. We put a remind of the, it's also inside the OEB number 36 you have received. It's a recall of the minimum speed while flying icing condition and while flying severe icing condition when the degraded perf is triggered. And you find again the icing block property regarding the new procedure. The key message, I repeat exactly what Paul has said. Use our recommendation. What's your speed in cruise? What's your climb rate? Descent if required. Descent, it's because we were too late. Nevertheless, if you cascade the procedure and implement it in your training, the crew will be aware and trained and will not lose time to do it. And as I said, the NAS retrofit is scheduled in 2019. What Paul missed about the documentation, we have built a movie taking back all what we have tried to told you today. It will be on the USB key. What we propose to you is to provide this movie. It's 10 minutes long. It's an explanation of why we have implemented that, and it is also a demonstration in the sim to do how to contain and to deal with a severe icing condition. I would say also a degradation of performance. Okay, so let's show, if you concur, let's show that to your crew, and it could help you for the best training. It will end the presentation regarding the revised procedure.